Now that you are making your own delicious bagels, it's time for some cream cheese.
So simple that a 7-year-old could do it. Okay, here we are squeezing some lemons. We are making cream cheese today at homemade. My sister is also helping. So, Colette, can I do one?
I didn't know this done.
No, it's not done. And right now I'm stirring the milk. This is a whole gallon, I think so. Let's just turn this back down.
Here comes some more lemons. Some more lemon juice, some more acid to curdle the milk.
If you like this video. And look at this.
Ooh la la.
Look at this.
Okay,
curd.
keep stirring that in. Let's see if we need more lemon juice or not.
Very slowly. My mom is an expert. She gives directions. It's so easy, a 7-year-old could do it. It's like, that's all. Now let's stir it. Look at that curd.
You see the whey now? It's separating from the curd. The liquid in here is not creamy and opaque like milk anymore, but it is clear. It has separated.
This is my first time making cream cheese. I'm 7 years old.
We are ready to strain our curds from the whey. Here we have a colander over a big bowl because we have a whole gallon of liquid, and our cheesecloth is over inside the colander. I'm going to pour it in now. See?
Wow.
Glad I chose a deep bowl. This would have overflowed something else.
That is true. This is going to be a lot of cream cheese. I hope you guys like it.
Ooh la la. Well, that will be our curds. Turn the light on here. There we go. And we will be hanging this for 15 minutes to 30 minutes, depending on the consistency you want. Here we're going to pour some cold water in to rinse our curds. We're probably at this point removing the lemon juice flavor, huh? Okay, pour some more in. Yes, go ahead and put it all in. Okay. And now put your fingers in there and rinse it. Kind of rinse the cheese. Try it and see if the lemon juice has disappeared. Not that much. Just try a little bit. There you go.
I guess that.
Yeah.
That is so good. I love it.
Yeah, that's much better. Look at those curds. How beautiful it is. Okay, we have our little cheese baby in here. We're going to just squeeze a little bit to remove excess moisture.
Just like the recipe says.
and we'll give this a hang this, let it drip dry for a while. And here's all this whey. Look, there's a gallon of whey there. You can use this to bake with. It's delicious baked. Or you can soak your chicken feed in it. Feed it to the chickens or your pigs. It's delicious, yummy stuff. Our cheese has stopped dripping. Now we're going to add it to our blender and add salt.
So we're going to unwrap it, put it in. Oh, look at that cheese.
That's
Look
a nice
at that.
cheese ball.
Now we're going to mix it in and put 2
salt.
teaspoons of salt.
Yep.
This is 1 teaspoon. Put a little bit more in there. Now let's put some in. And then we're going to put the next one. Way too much. Way too much salt. We don't want our cream cheese.
You know what? Let's do even less. I don't think that that's a lot of cream cheese. Let's start there. We can always add more flavor, right? Okay.
Right.
Good. Good. Now we'll bring this over to our blender and see how it goes.
Now that it is all mixed up, as you can see, we're going to show you. And now we're going to put some cream, heavy cream.
This is pretty curdly. I'm hoping the cream will make it creamy. I'm glad I didn't put that extra second teaspoon of salt in because it tastes plenty salty already. We're going to mix it up again and see how it goes. So I blended it, and as you can see, it's very dry still. I added a whole nother, probably half cup of cream, and it's getting creamier. It's almost there. I think I want to add a little bit more. And we'll blend it again and then show you what it looks like. So here we have it in the high-speed blender. Let's cream it up.
Very loud.
Ooh, look at it. It's creamier now. There's still some curdles that I feel. But look, creamy. And everybody is saying yum when they try it. Mmm. So I think a little bit more cream so that it can do a better job blending, and then we'll call it quits.
I'll do that.
Okay, there we go. Very creamy. Creamy, creamy.
Teeny.
Creamy, creamy. There's no reason you can't eat it right like this, but you can also put it in molds, place it in the refrigerator, let it get cold and hard, and enjoy. Put it on that next bagel, eat it plain, put it on toast.
Very good.
Very simple. Half hour, you have better cream cheese than you can buy at the store. This has no added gums, which you cannot find at the grocery store.
So simple that a 7-year-old could do it.
Yay. Thumbs up.
Double.
This is your basic cream cheese, but you can add cinnamon or berries, fruit to make it a sweet spread. Or you can add chives, herbs for a dip. And of course, use it in your recipes.
And also, make it how you want and put some and plop it on some bagels or some bread, and you will love it.
Store this in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. Enjoy. I'm going to refrigerate this for at least half an hour and try it again.
I hope you like it. We hope you like it.
Bye-bye.